Welcome to my channel. Today I'm announcing the winner of this palette and doing this makeup look, so tune in. So I wanted to do a look out of this palette using the colors that aren't pink and purple, and I promise I'll do more pink and purple colors out of this palette later down the line, but for now I wanted to do a highlighter brown look. You know what I mean. Stay tuned because at the end of this episode I will be announcing the winner of this beauty right here, right on this channel. So get excited and check out how I made this beautiful look happen. I'm gonna start with this A4 color. Then blend that out a bit. This color is amazing actually. Looking at the palette, it was kind of like one of the more boring colors in my mind, but it's so pretty. I feel like this is something you could wear every day for like a more natural, beautiful look. It's really pretty. I don't know why I'm surprised ever anymore with these Norvina palettes, I swear. They're always impressing me, always. Honestly, I'm constantly impressed. Now I'm gonna do the B5, and that's just gonna go in this corner. Blend it out a little bit. I don't know if you guys know where this is headed, but it's headed to D2. It's happening. I had to do something. I mean, that color is screaming in this palette. So it's just like, yes, please use me. And I am going to. I'm gonna bring that B5 into the center a little more actually. Above this neon highlighter color. Like so. Now blend it again. And I'm gently blending it. Now what? So now I'm gonna do the A1 again underneath. And I'm gonna tie the front together with the D2 right in the bottom. Right here. Bam! My husband left for lunch and the house is so quiet. I kind of miss him working at work for a second because recording with him not here is a lot more peaceful. Because when he's working, he's like chatting it up and I can hear him. I don't think you guys can hear him because I think it blocks out any other noise that's going on in my life, but I can hear him, so sometimes it's distracting to me. Anyway, B5. Bottom corner, outer corner. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of this glittery E2. We'll see what that does. I'm gonna add it right in the middle. I think for that, I need a little bit of setting spray, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little setting spray so the glitters can attach. Oh yeah. And if you wanted to, you could use the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive too for this, but the setting spray works fine. Like it's on there. I just have a little bit of fallout, but I'll just dust that right off. I feel like I'm overexposed. I need to move my legs a little bit. I mean, can you guys even see anything? Now I'm gonna do A1, actually on my inner corner. I'm gonna use a little setting spray for that as well. I'm going for not using the pinks in this palette. You know what I mean? It's like the palette had so many beautiful purples and pinks, but I figured I would do one look that isn't using those colors. My last look had a lot of those, and I'm sure I'll do a lot more looks with those colors, but I figured I'd go the opposite of what anybody would expect on this one and do a little bit of a cooler tone look. And I really wanted to take advantage of that neon marker color because, I mean, it's literally asking to be used. It's like, can you see me? I'm here. And I'm like, yeah, I see you, let's do this. I'm digging it. Cool, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 4 palette, and I am so excited to give this away today to a lucky winner. Is it gonna be you? Hopefully. I will be right back. I'm gonna do my liner, lashes, and all that fun stuff, and you'll see me right back. Alrighty, and my lashes are done, my liner is done, and all that funness. Some lucky person is going to win this Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 4 palette. And I'm really excited about it because I just love sharing these things with you guys because they're my favorite things. I know a lot of people do giveaways, but I try to give away things that I really, really love or that I'm excited about getting, that I'm buying. And so then sometimes I'm like, I'll buy one for me and one for you. So hopefully you love it, whoever wins this. But I honestly feel like this type of shadow is just so amazing. They really, really did a great job with the formulas on these. And I almost guarantee once you try this one, you will get them all eventually. They're not cheap, so that's one of the things, but I promise they're not made cheap. Like, everything about it is solid. The packaging, every idea of everything that they made, every pigment, every color, even the mirror is like freaking fantastic. It is like the best mirror ever. Look at it. Look at it, I look great even in the mirror. Yeah, the glitters are great, everything is awesome. They are vegan also for all you vegan people that are looking for good shadows. Obviously they're cruelty-free because I don't want to use anything not cruelty-free. But the vegan thing is hard. Sometimes it's really hard to find good shadows that are vegan. I think it's harder to make some colors vegan, and they have certainly nailed it. So I'm gonna record the winners separate. I'm making this video a separate day, and then I'm recording who the winner is a different day. So you'll see me change my outfit and whatever to announce the winner. But I wanted to have this video ready and prepared for the day that I do the announcing, because I wanna film that, edit it in, and post it up for you guys and have it ready within the same day. And the editing process takes me a while, so I figured the easiest way to do it is have it all ready and then just pop that little section in and post it. That way everybody gets a chance to win till the very last minute. So here goes the announcement. I'm so excited, today's the day. Let's figure out who the winner of this contest is, guys. So I wrote down everybody's names that, you know, participated, and I'm gonna do a random number generator and we will figure out who won today. I'm so excited to give this palette to somebody. Honestly, you're gonna be so happy. It is the best. Can't wait to give this to you. You winner, you're a winner, whoever you are. Let's find out who that person is. So I used the Google number generator and I wrote down everybody's name and a number next to them, and I'm gonna do 3 test runs just to make sure that everything's going good, and I don't even know who they are. Okay, everything looks good. Ready, let's do it. 25. Andrea Lund. Let's check it out. Who's Andrea? Who are you, girl? All right, let's find your comment here. I don't know where they are. There's so many, it's like hard to find them. Let me see here. Come on, Andrea, where you at? There you are. You created such a beautiful look. Also, I love your dress. I would like to win this palette because Anastasia is one of my favorite brands. Also, color scheme is gorgeous. I am so excited that you won. I cannot wait to send this to you, and I can't wait to see what you do with it. Let's check her out. She actually has her own YouTube channel too, so you guys could go look at her YouTube channel. Yeah, I am excited because I have a feeling you're gonna make some nice stuff out of this. I wanna see your YouTube video with it. Here's her page. Congratulations, beautiful. I cannot wait to send this to you. Thanks for joining me, guys. I am so excited for this winner. I will be sending this right away. And don't worry, everybody. Like I told you before, I will be doing more of these giveaways. So stay tuned. And congratulations to the winner. I'm so happy for you. Enjoy. Till next time, guys, I promise I'll be doing a lot more giveaways. I even have stuff just waiting. I've been just purchasing things for you guys left and right. I'm really happy to be doing this. I'm really happy to be here, and I appreciate every one of you supporting me, so I figure why not give back a little here and there to some of the people that are taking the time to watch my videos and be there for me, because I'm stuck in my house during COVID. And instead of being all alone, I figure I'll be with you. Bye, guys.